Hello friends, I am Rameshwar Bhausaheb Kapre, Assistant Professor, Agricultural Entomology, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirzgaon. Today we have to discuss the major crop or major cash crop based of cotton. In this cotton, sucking complex and bollworm complex major damage to the crop. First pest Jacid. Scientific name Ambrasca bigutula, family Jacidae, order Hemiptera, oviposition singly in leaf tissues. See the images of Jacids. Next, nature of damage. Nymphs and adult suck the cell sap from the lower surface. After sucking of the cell sap, change in leaves color greenish to yellow and develops the hopper burn symptoms. Now next pest, aphid. Scientific name Apis gossypi, family Aphididae, order Hemiptera, reproduction parthenogenetically. Nature of damage. These are the sucking pest. Nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from underside of the leaves and tender twigs. After sucking the cell sap, change in leaves color and infested plants ultimately dry. Secrete the honeydew-like substance. It affects the photosynthesis and yield of the crop. Next, thrips. Scientific name of thrips Scirtothrips dorsalis and thrips tabaci, family Thripidae, order Thysanoptera, oviposition inside the leaf tissue, generally on lower surface of leaves, pupation in soil. Nature of damage. Thrip scrap the epidermis of leaves and suck the oozing cell sap. After scraping, suck the oozing cell sap. The damaged tissues initially become whitish, later turn brown and ultimately dry. Management practices of sucking complex. Application of 4-8-10G at 1 to 1.5 gram per plant, spraying with 0.03% dimethoates for control the sucking complex. Now next, bollworm complex on cotton. First, spotted bollworm. Scientific name Eris vitella and Eris insulina, family Aractidae, order Lepidoptera. In this Lepidoptera, the damaging stage are caterpillar, host plant, oligophagus. See the damaging symptoms of spotted bollworm. Oviposition on tender shoots, flower buds and young fruits. Pupation, tough silken cocoons either on plants or in soil or among fallen leaves. Nature of damage. In early stage of crop growth, larvae bore into the tender shoots and feed internally, resulting into dropping and drying of such shoots. With the onset of flowering, larvae bore into the buds and flower and make them drop down on ground. When bolls formed, they attack them. The infested bolls show hole plugs with excreta. The infested buds and bolls are mostly shed, but if they remain on the plants, they open prematurely and lint obtained from them is of poor quality. See the different damaging symptoms of spotted bollworm on cotton. Now next, bollworm, pink bollworm. Scientific name Pectinophora gossipella, family Gillichidae, order Lepidoptera, host plant oligophagus infesting plants from family Malvaceae. Different damaging symptoms of pink bollworm: oviposition singly on underside of leaves, floral buds, bracts and bolls. Pupation by spinning cocoon on the bracts or in fallen leaves, flowers or even in soil. Now nature of damage. It never attacks the shoots but infests floral buds, flowers, and bolls. In the beginning, the caterpillar feed on floral buds and flowers and cause their shedding. Later, they bore into bolls and feed on inner content. Caterpillars feed on the seeds and move to adjacent loculi by making holes through the septum. Ginning percentage of seeds and spinning qualities of carpus are adversely affected. As a caterpillar enters the balls, their entry holes are very minute, get closed, and extremely difficult to locate the infested balls until they drop down on the ground. And last bollworm known as American bollworm. These are the common pest. Scientific name Helicorpa armigera, family Noctuidae, order Lepidoptera, oviposition singly on tender part of plant, pupation in soil. These are the damaging symptoms or identifiable symptoms of American bollworm. Nature of damage. The caterpillar feed on tender leaves after hatching of the eggs. Square flowers and bolls, it bores circular holes and eat inner content by inserting half body inside the ball. Larvae move from one ball to another balls. Control measure of bollworms. Cleanup campaign. Immediately after harvest, stalks, leaves, infested balls should be collected and destroyed. Next, fumigation of seeds and storage. Seed fumigation with aluminum phosphide. Next, removal and destruction of affected shoots along with larvae in case of spotted bollworm. In early stage of the infestation, hand picking of caterpillars and their destructions. Plowing of field after harvest of crop to kill the pupa inside soil. Biological control, field release of Trichogramma chilonis, eggs parasitoids. Spraying of BT, apply HNPV, apply NSK. These are the control measure of bollworm complex on cotton. Now next pest of cotton, red cotton bug. Scientific name Dysdarchus cingulatus, family Pyrocoridae, order Hemiptera, host plant Oligophagus, malvaceous plant, oviposition in soil near plant. Both nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from the leaves, tender shoots and tender bolls and they impair the vitality of plant. The attacked bolls open badly and produces lint of poor quality. In addition, they also feed on seed and lower oil content. The infested seeds unfit for sowing. Show the images. These are the red cotton bug. Due to excreta of insect and the crushing of the insect during the ginning, the lint gets stained. Hence, it is also called as cotton stainer. Red cotton bug also known as cotton stainer. These are the objective type question in our examination. The insect is reported to introduce a bacterium Nematospora gossypi into the bolls which also stain the cotton fiber. Control measure, dusting with methyl parathion. Now next, dusky cotton bug. Scientific name Oxycarinus hylipenis, family Lycidae, order Hemiptera, host plant Oligophagus malvaceous plant. Oviposition, cigar-shaped white eggs are laid in cluster in the half-opened bolls. These are the damaging symptoms of dusky cotton bug. Nature of damage, pest attack open bolls and those damaged by bollworms. Nymphs and adults suck the sap from immature feeds in open bolls. As a result, seeds do not develop properly. Besides, due to their crushing in ginning, the lint get stained. Control measure, dusting with methyl parathion 2D or and minor pest of cotton mealybug. Scientific name of this pest: Fericia virgata, family Pseudococcidae, order Hemiptera. These are the different damaging symptoms of mealybug. Nature of damage: nymphs and adult suck the cell sap, and after sucking the cell sap change in leaves color greenish to yellow, secrete the honeydew like substance, develop black sooty molotocapnodium fungus. It's affect the photosynthesis and yield of the crop. These are the pest of cotton crop. Thank you.